Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another episode. Before we get started, hit that sub button, notification button, comment down below, share with your friends and family. Enjoy the video. Today we are smoking some chicken thighs. Yes, chicken thighs. Now normally I bread them, but we're smoking them today. So yeah, that's the answer to everything. We're just gonna smoke everything and call it a day. Just kidding. But we are smoking these. I'm going to trim them up, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to salt and pepper them. Yes, that's it. Why, you ask? Well, for one reason and one reason only. We're making teriyaki smoked chicken thighs. Yes. Now, Gabe, why don't you make your own sauce? Well, you know what? Maybe I will one day. But right now, no. Why? Because, I don't know. Don't ask. I just make the chicken. Now, I've never really made teriyaki glaze before, so I'll try something new. Not like I've done a bunch of chicken wing videos or anything that I couldn't try it on. You know, just a few. But let's get started. So I got my cutting board, and I got my chicken thighs. I'm gonna roll up my sleeves. Now I shouldn't need to trim these a whole lot, and you don't want to trim all the fat off because this is dark meat, and so it's not too bad, but I'm just cleaning them up. See, like this, it's got excess fat that's just gonna burn, and honestly, chicken thighs most of the time carry a lot of fat on them. I don't understand why they leave so much fat on them, but they do. But we're gonna fix that by trimming them up, and everything will be fine. I almost kind of like want to square them up a little bit, but just enough that it's not a bunch of excess, nasty, gross, loose fat. Gonna fix this guy a little bit. This guy lost a little bit, but he just needs a little bit here. He looks good. I'm gonna throw him there. It is a big boy. And if you think about it, the less fat that these guys have, the faster that they'll cook as well. He's gonna take a while. And then this guy, bam. There you have it. Trimmed up chicken thighs. Okay, like so. And I wanna leave these skin side up so the skin gets a little crispy. But now we're gonna salt and pepper them. And that's all we're doing, just salt and peppering them. And then we'll throw them in the smoker. And then once they get close, we wanna cook these until about 180, 190. And then what we'll do is once they get close, maybe the last half an hour or so of cooking, hopefully these should only take 1 to 2 hours. But we're gonna try and put the teriyaki marinade on them about a half an hour before they're done. But all we're gonna do is salt and pepper. We got them seasoned. Let's head outside the smoker. And for my smoker, I have it set to 225. And like I said, we're gonna try and hopefully go for 1.5 hours, possibly, maybe 2. But let's go throw them in. So we are coming up on the 1.5 hour mark. I'm going to go ahead and put my Sweet Baby Ray's sweet teriyaki sauce on. Now, Sweet Baby Ray's was just something I picked out. You don't have to pick that. You can use whatever, really. But that's what I'm using. So I'm gonna go ahead and brush it on there. And then for time constraints, I'm gonna throw them in the oven to finish them. But then you want to go ahead and go for another half an hour, 45 minutes with the sauce on them. But all right, so this is what we're looking for. And the glaze is nice and tacky. And it formed a nice crust on the chicken. See, all right, let's try these out. I'm gonna try this guy out. This guy right here. Cheers. Wow, that's hot. See the steam coming on from underneath the skin. It's very juicy. Got a nice crisp to it. Yeah, it's nice. It's tender as all gets out. It's juicy. I mean, there's currently a puddle of juice on this plate. But flavorful. It's got a nice smoke to it. The teriyaki glaze is really good. I really like this teriyaki glaze. And the nice thing about chicken thighs is that they're dark meat, And so it's kind of hard to mess them up. You just got to cook them to the right temp, that's all. But as long as you cook them to the right temp, they are excellent. And I just love really good chicken too. I'm trying to eat this quick because I want to, because it's so good, but it's so hot. Like I said, a little messy, but all in all, maybe baste it one more time just to get a little bit more sauce on there. But I'm a saucy guy. I like my sauce. But there you have it, guys. Smoked chicken thighs with a teriyaki glaze. If you like this video, again, make sure you share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to hit that sub button and then hit the notification button. That way you get notified of all my fun and exciting and weird videos. And as always, guys, peace out.